If your home has a wooden deck, you should do an annual visual inspection to make sure first that it's structurally sound and also that it's safe. And two things to look for are large splinters and popped nail heads like I have here, especially on staircases, because staircases have so much movement the nails will often pop up like this. And you want to take care of that because you could cut your foot on it. So the first tool to reach for, you might think, would be a nail set. But I suggest not using a nail set because first it has a really small tip, has a tendency to slip off the nail head. So instead, take an old hinge, pull out the pin, and use the pin, the hinge pin, as the nail set. It's nice and long, nice diameter. It's typically the size of the nail head, so it does a great job of driving the nail down. And you want to drive it not flush like that, but below the surface. There you go, just like that. Because this way, if it pops up a little bit, it won't be in the way. And if you do this once a year, you'll keep your deck nice and clean, and you won't be catching your foot in any pop nail heads.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.